Hey everyone. Uh, if Perplexity AI is not responding or seems stuck, don't worry. This guide will walk you through the most common fixes step by step. So let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Perplexity AI needs a reliable connection to process queries and return answers properly. Next, try refreshing the page or restarting the app. Sometimes a quick reload fixes temporary glitches and gets the AI responding again. Try clearing your browser or app cache. Corrupted cache files can block responses and prevent Perplexity AI from working correctly. Also check if Perplexity AI servers are having issues. Delays or outages can prevent answers from appearing, and in that case, you may need to wait until it's resolved. If it still doesn't respond, try using another device or browser. This helps determine if the issue is specific to your current setup. Finally, make sure your app or browser is updated. Updates usually include bug fixes that resolve issues with responses not appearing. And yeah, that's it. That's how you fix Perplexity AI when it's not responding and get it working smoothly again. Hey everyone,